Annapolis rose 9.3% in August from the year prior. It's Friday, September 15th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Inventory remains at all-time lows, but up to 118 this week's report. Prices for Zipcode 21401 rose 18.6% August over August. 21403 increased 21%, and 21409 actually fell 13%, but up 2.4% year to date. Rentals in Annapolis rose to 33 for rent at a median $3,000 per month, and leasing in just 18 median days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 15th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.